Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. The Omsi Chipai is here. Today we are going to see that what is meant by RDBMS and DBMS. In 1960s, from IBM company, the scientists who were discovered the RDBMS. In the RDBMS, the all data were storing in a single table. Because of that, they were becoming a load. And after some years, the scientists from IBM company who created the DBMS, in which basically what happened means there are multiple tables. From a single table he created the multiple tables, and he link with and he did link with these two tables, this first table to second table, and first table with third table. Like this type he did link. This was the difference between RDBMS and DBMS. Like example, I will show you that from Excel, the workshop in which I will tell you some basic data. I have the name column and course column and course ID column and date and day and city and state. This I created for a sample. This is my data. I started a workshop. Just think like that. Here I will give some name. Somesh, Rahul, Raman, and we have the two courses as Python and as SQL. The Somesh has taken the Python course and the Rahul has taken SQL, and the Raman has also taken the SQL. The course ID is for Python 100 and for SQL 111. And the date from my course start from 10/09/2024. Okay, now I will paste all my courses are start from this date only, and the date will be, and the city is Mumbai, the state is Maharashtra. Okay, this is the data looks like RDBMS. Now we are going to see that the data which looks like DBMS. Okay, in which we will see the unique columns. As we can get the unique columns means the unique columns. Escape that, you have to do this delete, and you have to create another, and you have to create a single column as ID. Escape this all, writing the data you did delete, and you have created this all common data in the new sheet, and you are creating a data with numbers. This is how the DBMS works. That is the difference between the RDBMS and DBMS. Okay,